Brandy Cook, and this is my business partner, Vicki Crossland from Maybaum Real Estate. We want to welcome you back to Real Trends and Tips for Homeowners, Sellers, and Buyers.
As we head towards winter months, it's important to plan ahead to protect your home. Here's 6 winter hacks to save you money and to protect your home.
You want to make sure that you caulk around all your windows and doors, and if you have any old weather stripping, replace it with new weather stripping, since warm air can be escaping and cold air can be coming into your home. Fireplace should be cleaned and checked for safety, and make sure the flue is operational. By adding a glass door around the fireplace, it will help with your energy bill.
Fix any HVAC ductwork that has become disconnected or has holes. You don't want to be heating nor cooling your attic or crawl space instead of your home's interior. Prior to freezing weather, make sure you close all your foundation vents. And then your outdoor plumbing faucets, please protect them with insulated covers much like these. They're very inexpensive. You can get them at any hardware stores, and they go over the faucet much like this. On all vacant homes, we recommend calling a licensed plumber to winterize your plumbing. When you're ready to turn that water back on, have a plumber do this for you too. The last thing you want is to flood your home from a leaky or busted pipe. Another tip is cover your hot water heater. You can buy a water heater blanket for about $20 at any hardware stores, and this will save you money too.
Now you can sit back and relax and be warm and cozy. If you're thinking of buying or selling, give us a call so we can discuss the fall-winter advantage.